Australians watch now in awe of these amazing people, these highly professional skydivers with their canopies aloft, their canopies open, and our first jumper coming in close to the ground now at the northern end of the field.
We have our first parachutists today. These people are truly expert at what they're doing.
And boys and girls lucky enough in the northern section, you would have seen the parachutists, the skydivers, upon coming to Earth, being able to just walk onto the Earth and keep walking and gather in their parachute. Why is there orange smoke being deployed? That is to give the jumpers an indication of which way to approach their landing, and at the moment the approach is called a roll sort of to the north and to the northeast, as the smoke gives them that indication. The city of Greater Geelong, one of our hallmark key sponsors of the Airshow, their flag high above the taxiway, Charlie, to the northern end of the ground at the moment. The Aboriginal flag is following, and our observer man at the top making sure the operation is running smoothly. We extend our enormous thanks to the City of Greater Geelong for their tremendous support as the flag and the skydiver aim into wind now, the national flag, the Royal Australian Air Force flag on and feet on, and a quick little roll. They've practiced on that. The City of Geelong flag now, and our lone skydiver stepping onto terra firma.